Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. Welcome to my channel and welcome in today's video in which I will trade the binary options. I will use a very profitable strategy. And if you want to see what's all about and if you want to see the results of today's trading session, stay here until the end of this video. Alright, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. Alright, so that being said, without further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright guys, I hope you are all fine today. So in this video I will use Quotex platform and Fractal indicator, and as you can see here on Euro GBP we have a very nice downtrend here, and as you can see here these beautiful signals from Fractal indicator. Let me go ahead and let me put the pen a bit here to show you. So this is an uptrend, this is a downtrend, this is a uptrend, a downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, up, uptrend, downtrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, and now this is a downtrend here. So following this indicator I will place a few trades today. I'm on my live account. So I saw a lot of gurus, that they are trading on their demo account and they are teaching you strategies, but on their demo account because they are afraid to trade on the live account. This how good are their strategies. So now it's your option, who do you follow and what you choose to do, from who you will learn. Now the indicator is over here. Click on this button here if you are on Quotex platform. Of course I'll put a link below this video for Quotex platform if you want to use the demo account and to try this strategy that I'm showing you. And here you can click on Fractal here and it will automatically see this indicator showed here. So now we don't have any signal right here on Euro GBP. Let's go to US dollar, Canadian dollar, and let's see what is happening here, if we have a signal or not. No, not here. US dollar, Japanese yen, we have this down signal over here. Euro USD, let's see what is happening with Euro USD. No, not a signal. Let's put more Euro AUD. Let's see Euro AUD. We have a down signal, an up signal here, but now nothing for the moment. So here also nice signals on Euro AUD. So let's wait a good signal here. Euro AUD, very good return on investment that you can see here. We have 89%, US dollar Japanese yen 84%. Let me have Euro GBP USD. Let's put this one also, GBP USD. GBP USD 84% return on investment. It's a little bit late right now, and that's why we don't have too many signals, but we'll be fine. I think we can place some trades. As you can see, I didn't trade for a quiet time from 22 October. As you can see here, I didn't place a trade, and here we have nice downtrend, nice uptrend here on Euro AUD, downtrend here, uptrend here. So you can make a lot of money from these signals right here. Let me go ahead and I will close this one. So let's find fast a signal to make some money this evening. It's already night because here change in my country changed the hour. With we are on 1 hour early, so this is great. We don't have let's see Euro GBP, no. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, let's see Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, downtrend. We have a down signal here. Let's wait a little bit to see what is happening. Down signal, up signal, down signal. We have this up signal here, which would be a losing trade. This is not a 100% accurate, you know, this fractal indicator, but you can make a lot of money with it. I've made a lot of money using it, so you can do so. I want to place a few trades, live trades with you on my live account again. I want to specify this because I've been watching lately a lot of YouTube channels in this binary options trading sector, trading niche, and a lot of them are trading on their demo account, which is crazy. I will not follow such a trader which is trading on a demo account, because there are not involved the emotion, is not his money, that are virtual money, and is not a great thing to trade this way. So we have this downtrend here, nice downtrend. Yes, as you can see it here, downtrend. And let's place a down trade here. Let's wait for this to bounce back a little bit, and I will place a down trade. We are on 2% or from our balance with free trade minutes, 3 minutes time frame, and 3 minutes expiration time for the trade. And now is the moment. Place a down trade here, and now the trade is placed. As you can see, is $460 per trade. Now we have a few new futures on Quotex platform. As you can see, we have this War 2 double up here, so we can place this one, and if you see that the trade is going in the good direction, you can double up the investment. All right, so at this point we are in the money, but we still have 2 minutes and 20. Let's wait and see what will happen. Let's find the other signal. We have this signal here on GBP USD, which is a down signal here, but let's wait and see what will happen here. If we'll go more down, we have Euro USD, Euro AUD, sorry, and we have the signal, the last signal, it is an up signal. It was up, but we don't have the confirmation. Let's wait a bit. US dollar, Japanese yen, no, we don't have any signal. US dollar, Canadian dollar, we have this. Let me go ahead and I'll show it to you. We have this up signal here. Yes, this is an up signal for US dollar, Canadian dollar. All right, so let's try and let's place an up trade here. 3, 2, 1, and up trend, up signal placed, so 2% from my balance. All right, let's see Euro GBP. On Euro GBP we have a down signal here, as you can see, this one here. This one here, it is a down signal for Euro GBP. So let's wait and see if we will place a down signal, if we will go down more or not. Let's see Euro USD. No, we don't have a signal, so let's watch here Euro GBP. Euro GBP, here it was a down signal also, but it was going up. So let's see Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Yes, in the money. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, in the money on Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. And let's see US dollar, Canadian dollar, what will happen with this one. No, I will not place here on Euro GBP. Let's see again US dollar, Japanese yen. No signal here. Here again, no signal. I don't like how this looks. This I've placed a signal, and here we have, let's see, a down signal, Now let's see if we can find Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Let's see Australian dollar, Japanese yen. We don't have a signal here on Australian dollar, Japanese yen, Australian dollar, US, AUD, USD, and also a down signal here. Right, and Australian US dollar, Canadian dollar, it's in the money also. So we have two trades placed, and both of them are in the money using this fractal indicator. And as you can see, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, it was a sell in the money, and US dollar, Canadian dollar in the money also, $830 profit, both of them around $900 profit in today's trading session. So it was very smooth. I don't know if I can find another signal. Let me go ahead and let me show you a little bit, but because it is very late, I think I will not place any more signals. But I wanted to show you the indicator, the fractal indicator, which is the best indicator I tried so far from Quotex platform. So that's the video for today. If you want to use Quotex on a demo account and try the fractal indicator, I'll put a link below this video in the description area. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. If you have question, put the question below this video in the comments area, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.